Welcome to not the best video series you've ever seen, Ratchet Edition. So you have your ratchet and you've wrapped it around what you're wanting to connect together. You start by making it so that the line is visible like that while it's open. Then you take your other end, push it through. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pull all the excess through so that while it wraps, it doesn't have to wrap around too much and get cramped in there while you're trying to tighten everything. Once your ratchet strap is nice and taut, you'll then begin to crank it. And it begins to circulate around itself. As it gets tighter, it becomes more and more resistant to being tightened. Once it's tight enough, then you're good to go until it's time to release it. The releasing mechanism is right there. And this, for example, is just you pull it right up. You then overextend it while pressing, so now it's a little more flat. And you just pull to release. That concludes part 6, Ratchet Edition.